Okay, real quick. So my buddy that lets me use his land, he's got something that he gave me because he's got a chicken coop, and he had somebody in his chicken coop trying to eat eggs and chickens. Okay, so he threw this in the freezer for me, little mink. Let me know what I should do with it. I'm not eating it. He killed it like on a Monday or Tuesday and just threw it in the freezer, so it's been sitting there with the guts in it and everything. But I figured that I could skin it, maybe try to make something with the fur. What should I make? Comment down below. Cute little guy. Live free, live wild. Comment what you want me to do with it. There's not a whole lot of fur, so it ain't like we could do a pair of gloves or something like that. It'd have to be one thing. Yep. Let me know. Live free, live wild. See you on the next one.